Dr. Sauce. I have black trim interior. What do I do?
Black trim interior. Well, if you have leather interior, I would recommend you use our Nana's leather cleaner and Nana's leather conditioner. On the seats, you can use it on the trim. Most likely, if you have leather interior, you're going to have some sort of leather or faux leather dash. You can use it on all of that stuff, just a little bit on a microfiber wipe on. What I like to do is then not really wipe off, but wipe it on, let it sit for a few, and then just go over it again. But if you have cloth interior, you're not going to be buying the leather stuff. You will be buying our black trim marinade, which, as it says in the name, black trim. So it's good for, you can use it on your dashes, door panels. You can also use it outside the car. Same thing though as far as the application goes. Use a microfiber, put a little bit on, wipe it on your dash, let it sit for a few, wipe it back off. It's not going to give it like a super glossy finish or anything. It's just kind of give it a little bit. It does have a little bit of a protection in it. So as far as like UV rays from the sun and stuff like that, you'll add a layer of protection there. But it's basically just like a dressing that's going to make your trim look clean, not overly shiny and greasy. Same with what you would do on like your tires and if you have black trim around the door handles and stuff like that on your car.